In this video, I will show you how you can find hidden apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, if you have hidden some apps on your Samsung phone and if you want to find them, now there are three main methods to do that. For the first method, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the app which you have hidden. Now after you find that app, then just tap on open and you will be able to open that app directly from the Google Play Store. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now in the app drawer, you will not be able to find the apps which you have hidden. But there is a way to find the hidden apps from your app drawer. For that, just tap on the search bar, then tap on the three dots over here. Tap on settings, and on this page, you will find the option for show hidden apps. Now just enable this toggle. And after you enable this toggle, now just go back to the app drawer, and in the search bar, just search the name of the app which you have hidden. As you can see, this is an app which I have hidden, and I will be able to open it directly from the app drawer. Now for the third method, just go to your home screen and open settings, and under settings, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now over here, you will find all the apps on your Samsung phone, including those apps which you have hidden. Now to find the apps, just tap on the search bar and search the name of the apps which we have hidden. For an example, this is an app which we have hidden. Now just tap on it, and over here you will find the option for open. Now just tap on open, and you will be able to open that app from the settings. And this is how you can find the hidden apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.